Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Today we will learn chapter footprints of class 2nd. Before that we will recall few basic shapes. So here I have drawn some basic shapes. This shape is called circle. This is triangle. This is rectangle. This is square and this is oval. So these are few basic shapes. Here I have drawn few basic shapes and this side I have drawn few figures. So we will match basic shape with the appropriate figures. Let's see first basic shape. The first basic shape is rectangle. Let us find the rectangular figure here. This is ball. Is the ball is rectangular? No. This is egg. Is the egg is rectangular? No. This is carom board. Is the carom board is rectangular? No. The shape of carom board is square. Hut. Yes, hut is rectangular. So let us match rectangle with the hut. Second shape is triangle. Which is triangular figure here? An ice cream. Yes, ice cream is a triangular figure. This is circle. So which figure is in circular shape? Yes, a ball is in circular face. Let us match. Next shape is square. So carom board is in square shape. Let's match carom board with the square shape. And the last figure is an oval. So egg shape is an oval. It's so simple. Now we have this drawing and you can see all the basic shapes as used to draw this drawing. So let us count triangle, rectangle, circles and squares which are used in this drawing. So how many triangles are used in this drawing? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 triangles in this drawing. Let us count rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the frame of this drawing. So there are 6 rectangles. Now we will count circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 circles. And the last we will count squares. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 squares. Let's do an activity. Here we have a cartoon face. Let us draw missing parts of it. So which are the missing parts for this face? Eyes, nose, mouth. So we'll use basic shapes to draw these missing parts. So which shape we should use for eyes? Oval? Yeah. Okay. Our eyes are ready. Now we will draw nose. A triangular nose. Now we will draw mouth. Can we draw rectangular mouth? Yes. We will draw rectangular eyebrows. And already we have rectangular ears. So our cartoon face is ready. It's so much fun. So like this, you can make different cartoon faces using different basic shapes. Also, you can draw different drawings using basic shapes. So students, have fun and enjoy. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.